guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and I'm going to show you how I paint these sunglasses today. I'm going to go in first with the color Blueberry, and I'm going to base coat this shade with the stars in it. And all the colors I'll be using in this video are Dixie Belle chalk paint. You can purchase that paint, the brushes, and the Sharpie marker that I'll use later, including this cutout, also all on our website, buildacross.com. And then I went in and painted the stripes on the other glass in Barn Red and Cotton, and then painted the shade part in the Bunker Hill Blue. And then I let all of that dry, and I'm going in and outlining everything with a Sharpie brush stroke marker. And then I'm going to go in and highlight with a little bit of the color Cotton and a number 4 round. And that will complete my project. I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.